So hello students and welcome back to yet another video tutorial by Genome Biotech. In today's video tutorial, we would be talking about the other type of control mechanism in the flower development of Arabidopsis thaliana. हम लोग बहुत सारे अलग अलग कंट्रोल मैकेनिज्म के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जो Arabidopsis thaliana के अंदर फ्लावर के डेवलपमेंट को कंट्रोल करता है. Now, which are the genes that are being involved in controlling this type of flower development in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana that we have to see. In our yesterday's lecture, we have already seen the three different category or the class of genes that were present in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana. We have described to you all about the three different class of genes, class A genes, class B genes, and the class C genes. Just making a rough diagram, okay? So this one was the class A gene, then there was the class B gene, and the class C genes that were being functional. Just to मेमोराइज यू अप आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा याद दिलाने के लिए अगर मैं यहाँ पर बताऊं द क्लास ए जीन्स वाज इंक्लूडिंग द ए पेटिला 1 द ए पेटिला 2 okay the class B genes were having the A petila 3 and the pistillata gene, whereas the class C gene was having the gene which was referred to as the A gammas gene, and it was leading to the formation of sepal, petal, androecium, and gynoecium. Sepal, petal, androecium, and gynoecium. And the last one is called as the gynoecium. So this is the gynoecium that has been produced. So these are the different parts of the flower that we have already seen in our yesterday's lecture. In today's lecture, what we would be looking forward is that how does these genes interact with each other, and are there other genes along with these genes that functions in the cell to form the different components of the flower. क्या केवल यही जीन होते हैं या इसके लिए अलावा भी कुछ जीन्स होते हैं? तो इसके अलावा भी कुछ जीन्स होते हैं, उन जीन्स को ही हमें यहाँ पर स्टडी करना पड़ेगा. Now those genes, the first other different types of genes that were being discovered after the discovery of gene A, B, and C. Those genes were referred to as the SPT and the CRC promoter genes. Now, STP refers to as the spatula gene and CRC refers to as the crab claw genes. Now, crab claw genes and spatula genes. Now, what are these genes and how are these genes going to act? दैट वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. ये जीन्स किस तरीके से फंक्शन करते हैं, क्या होते हैं ये जीन, वो ही हमें समझना है. सी कार्पोलॉइड फीचर्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन फ्लोरल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ ए पेटिला 2 and A gammas double mutants. Now there is a mutation that we are going to perform, and the mutation that we are going to perform is A petila 2 and A gammas type of mutation. Okay, now what is this mutation? A petila 2 and A gammas means we have removed both A and C gene. Okay. Now, in my yesterday's lecture, I have already told you that if you have removed the class A gene and the C gene, then in some experiments, leafy genes were found to be expressed. But when the repeated number of experiments were being performed by the double mutants, as in this case, by removing A petila 2 and A gammas 2, okay, A gammas genes, as well as by removing A petila, pistillata, and A gammas. Now you have removed you have formed a triple mutant. A petila has been removed, pistillata has been removed, and A gammas genes have been removed. Then, of course, in such type of cases, sometimes the leafy genes were being produced or leaf-like structures were being formed. Leaf-like structures बन गए थे फ्लावर के ऊपर. लेकिन जब आप बात कर रहे हैं इस केस के अंदर, जब इस बात को, इसी एक्सपेरिमेंट को बहुत बार रिपीट कराया गया, तब एक चीज देखने को मिली. देन one thing was being found that indicated that carpoloid features are present on floral organs even after triple mutants were being made. अगर तीनों जीन्स को आपने म्यूटेशन कर दिया था, then also all the four different whorls that were being present on the flower, all the four different whorls gets modified and they led to the formation of a structure of carpel. Okay, so the floor become completely made up of carpels. Okay, this type of flower developed. This is the type of the flower that developed. So it had carpel on all the four walls. Okay, now to the surprise of the scientist, how can carpel develop? Carpel means the female reproductive part, that is the gynoecium, was found to be developed on all the four walls even when triple mutants were being formed. साइंटिस्ट को ये समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था, भाई ट्रिपल म्यूटेंट बन गया तो कार्पिल कैसे बन जाएगा? हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल दैट द फ्लावर बिकम कार्पिलॉइड फ्लावर? कार्पिलॉइड फ्लावर मींस इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ कार्पेल्स. देयर वर ओनली कार्पेल्स. Carpels were being found to be present in the entire flowers. Then how it was being formed? Then the scientist identified that there are not just ABC genes. फिर साइंटिस्ट को पता चला केवल 3 जीन्स ही नहीं है ABC, इनके अलावा भी कुछ जीन्स हैं जो कि कार्पेल बनाने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं. और उन जीन्स को जब आइडेंटिफाई किया गया, देन साइंटिस्ट आइडेंटिफाई 2 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज ऑफ जीन्स. वो 2 तरीके के जीन्स उन्होंने आइडेंटिफाई किए और वो थे स्पेटुला एंड क्रैब क्लॉ जीन. ये दोनों जीन साइंटिस्ट ने आइडेंटिफाई किए. One was spatula and another one was crab claw gene. Now, sir, what are these spatula and what are these crab claw genes? So these spatula and crab claw genes are the different types of genes which controls the development of the carpel as well as controls the development of sepals. ये कार्पेल और सेपल का ही डेवलपमेंट कंट्रोल करने वाले जीन्स हैं. कैसे कंट्रोल करते हैं सर? So let us look at how these genes are going to control these sepal and carpel formation. Okay, so look here. Individual mutant in either SPT, that is spatula genes, or individual mutations associated with CRC genes. Okay, whether the individual mutations are being done with CRC genes or with the spatula genes or the crab claw genes, there has been almost no mutational changes in the flower. Okay, shows defect in carpel fusion in the upper part of the organ and small effects on carpel morphology. So they had shown effect in carpel fusion. Okay, what is this carpel fusion? See, at the tip of the flower, the carpels, at the tip of the flower, the gynoecium, the stigma which is present, they are going to be separated from each other, but sometimes they get fused when there is a mutation associated with these gene, spatula and crab claw gene. Okay, जब इनमें म्यूटेशन हो जाता है तो ये जो कार्पेल होते थे ये फ्यूज कर जाते थे. कहां से फ्यूज कर जाते थे? अपने अपर पार्ट से फ्यूज कर जाते थे. कुछ चेंजेस कार्पेल की मोर्फोलॉजी में भी देखे गए. अब ये जो चेंजेस थे इनसे साइंटिस्ट को पता क्या लगा? साइंटिस्ट ने एक चीज बताई. Scientists were able to predict one thing. The CRC SPT double mutant shows a much more severe phenotype with further reduction in carpel fusion, decreased amount of many carpel tissues, including stigma, style, and septum transmitting tract and ovules. If you are going to form a double mutants, if double mutants are going to be produced, then what is going to happen? When double mutants were being produced, then there were several deformities which were being produced in the case of carpel. कार्पेल के अंदर बहुत सारी डिफॉर्मिटीज आ गई because these genes were also being modified and also being mutated. क्योंकि आपने इन जीन्स को भी मॉडिफाई और म्यूटेट कर दिया, जिसकी वजह से कार्पेल्स के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा मॉडिफिकेशन हो गया और कार्पेल्स के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा चेंज आ गए. Then what was being identified was that these genes are actually a part of another system of gene which is referred to as the gene E. So now this model of flower development has been modified from ABC model to ABCDE model. Okay, अब इसका फिर से मॉडिफिकेशन हो गया. ये जो जीन्स थे, जो अभी तक आप ए बी और सी जीन पढ़ रहे थे, यहाँ पर दे रखे हैं ए पेटिला 1, ए पेटिला 2, ए पेटिला 3, पिस्टिलेटा, ए गैमस टाइप. Now there was another type or another category of gene that one was being introduced, and that is referred to as the spatula genes. And spatula genes were being encoded by the letter E. Okay, and they were referred to as SAP1, SAP2, and SAP3. These genes were being expressed in each and every world, and it is only because of the contribution of these genes the different worlds were being produced. अलग अलग worlds को बनाने के लिए contribution septileta genes का, spatula genes का बहुत ही important होता है. अब ये genes कैसे contribute करते हैं वो हमें यहाँ पर देखना पड़ेगा. Now, firstly, CRC is a member of YABA gene family that specify abaxial identity, while SPT belongs to BHLH transcription factor gene family. Now, these are different types of gene families that are being involved in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana. So, CRC protein is going to be involved in a gene family that is referred to as YABA gene family. Okay, I would be talking to you that what are the gene families and how these gene families are being important for our syllabus and how questions have been asked. Whereas SPT encodes BHL transcription factors. So actually SPT is a transcription factor and CRC is a true gene that lead to the formation of a particular protein. CRC एक प्रोटीन बनाने वाला जीन है और SPT तो खुद एक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर है. इस लाइन को याद रखिएगा, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी आगे आने वाली है, आपको सब कुछ समझ में आएगा. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखें और ध्यान से देखें इसे. Now see, a significant revision of the ABC model was being made. ABC मॉडल को पूरी तरीके से रिवाइज किया गया और एक और क्लास ऑफ जीन को ऐड कर दिया गया जिसका नाम था क्लास ई जीन्स. And these genes were referred to as the सेप्टिलेटा जीन्स, ऑल्सो रेफर टू एज सैप जीन्स. इन जीन्स को मॉडिफाई करके आपने क्या नाम दे दिया? सेप्टिलेटा जीन्स, ऑल्सो रेफर टू एज द सैप जीन्स. ओके, which were first identified in tomato, petunia and later on Arabidopsis thaliana में भी रिपोर्ट हो चुके हैं. Okay, Arabidopsis has 3 sap genes, sap1, sap2 and sap3. Now sap1, sap2 are expressed in all the 4 worlds, while sap3 mRNA is detected in world 2, 3 and 4. देखिए sap3 का जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो sap2 और 1 से बिल्कुल अलग है. अगर आप sap3 को देखते हैं तो sap3 is being expressed only in the second, third and fourth world, whereas sap1, 2 and 4 are being expressed in all the worlds of the flower. So what are these sap proteins? What are these sap genes? These are actually transcription factors. ये ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर्स हैं, ये बाकी जीन्स के ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कराने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं, इसीलिए ये यहाँ पर हैं. अब ये सर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कराते कैसे होंगे? How they would be acting as the transcription factor? See student, this is how they would be acting as a transcription factor for the formation of each and every word of the flower, whether it is sepal, whether it is petal, whether it is stamen and whether it is carpel. चाहे सेपल पेटल एंड्रूशियम गाइनोशियम बोल दें, चाहे सेपल पेटल स्टेमिन कार्पल बोल दें, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दोनों टर्म्स एक ही हैं. अब अगर आप देखते हैं यहाँ पर तो इन चारों वर्ल्ड्स को बनाने के लिए, इन सभी वर्ल्ड्स को बनाने के लिए देयर आर सेवरल नंबर ऑफ ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर्स व्हिच आर बीइंग इन्वॉल्वड. Out of world development in each and every type except sepal, there is an essential requirement of the spatula genes, and these septilata genes are being essentially required, that would be leading to the formation of all these 3 different types of floral whorls. तो यहाँ पर सेप्टिलेटा जीन्स का एसेंशियली रिक्वायरमेंट होता है इन फ्लोरल वर्ल्स को बनाने के लिए, क्योंकि ये एक टेट्राड बनता है जो जीन्स के ट्रांसक्रिप्शन को, जीन्स को ट्रांसक्राइब कराता है और अलग अलग वर्ल्स को बनाता है. तो अगर आप यहाँ पर देखें कार्पेल बन रहे हैं, देन how the carpel was being formed? Carpel was being formed by the combination of, by the action of A gametes with septileta. Now you look here, now the modification of this floral formula has taken place, or the modification of this ABC model has taken place. अब अगर आप बोलेंगे कार्पेल कैसे बन रहा है, एगैमस प्लस सेप्टिलेटा। अगर आप बोलेंगे स्टेमिन कैसे बन रहा है, तो देखिए यहाँ पर ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस अलग अलग जो हैं ये यही बता रहे हैं। तो कार्पेल बन रहा है एगेमस प्लस सेप्टिलेटा से। अगर हम बात करते हैं स्टेमिन बन रहा है, देन इट वाज थ्रू द apatilla plus pistillata, that is gene A, gene B contribution plus agamus plus septillata contribution. So you can see green, yellow, blue. So green, yellow, and blue. This is how the contribution is going to take place. Now, how many different types of contribution will be there required for the formation of petals? In the formation of petal, you can find that there would be a tetrad that would be produced. In this tetrad, the contribution would be of the B gene, A gene, apatilla 1 and apatilla 2. Then E gene contribution in the form of septillata will be there. The first word, sepal, will be made up of the septillata genes and the apatilla 1 genes. Any doubt? Now, this is the modified version of the Adopsis thaliana floral development. Now, after the discovery of this E category of genes and the D category of genes, the ABC model has been modified into ABCDE model. Now, moving further, mutation in any one of these three genes do not significantly alter the floral organs. But when a double mutation has been made, okay, for example, but when septillata 1, 2, 3 triple mutant have been made. Now all the septillata genes have been made mutated. How? Septillata 1, 2, 3 triple mutants have been produced. Then only sepals will be produced. अगर आपने सेप्टिलेटा 1, 2 और 3 जीन तीनों को उठा के म्यूटेट कर दिया तो क्या बनने वाला है? केवल सेपल बनने वाले हैं। क्यों केवल सेपल बनने वाले हैं? You look at the diagram. You look at the particular diagram, that what is going to happen if you are going to modify it out. uh, I will have to remove the drawings, okay, and redraw another thing. Just give me a second. Writing the annotations. Okay, so triple mutants triple mutants are being produced. It will produce a flower that will have only sepals. Why? See, when all the three genes, septillata 1, 2, 3, and 4 have been mutated, then all these three genes will be lost. That means entire part of the flower will be lost. They will not allow any transcription to take place from this particular region. So this part of the flower is being lost. Okay, this is the part of the flower that would be lost because of the loss of these septillata genes. Okay, so thus only part of the flower that remains is sepals. So we will get sepals when the entire set of the sap genes have been deleted. Okay, when the entire set of the septillata genes have been deleted, then we will get a flower that will be entirely made up of sepals. Can you just conclude from this particular experiment when was only sepal being obtained? When was sepals were being produced? Okay, the sepals were being produced in the previous experiment when there was mutation associated with the B and the C gene. Okay, B and the C gene double mutations were producing a septillata flower. Okay, these flower resembles those produced by the A patella 3 A gammas and PI A gammas double mutants. Do you remember when the double mutants were being produced? Double mutants means you have mutated the gene B, you have mutated the gene C, then only gene A was remaining, and then it was also producing the same result, that is the production of sepals was taking place in the previous ABC model of flower development. तो अभी अगर आप देख रहे हो ना तो आपको ये बात पता चलेगी कि ABCDE मॉडल ऑफ फ्लावर डेवलपमेंट में केवल सेपल्स वाला फ्लावर बनाने के लिए आपको सेप्टिलेटा जीन को म्यूटेट कर देना चाहिए, सेप्टिलेटा का ट्रिपल म्यूटेशन बना दिया तो केवल सेपिल ही बचेगा और वही बनेगा क्योंकि वही बचा है। और अगर आप बात करते हो यहां पर कि एबीसी मॉडल ऑफ फ्लावर डेवलपमेंट में, तो आपको जीन बी और जीन सी को म्यूटेट करना पड़ेगा, केवल जीन ए रहेगा तो वो सेपिल को बना देगा, इट विल फॉर्म सेपिल्स। ओके, नाउ moving forward, we can look at the flower that has been developed now. You look at this particular flower in front of your screen. जो फ्लावर आप देख रहे हैं अपनी फ्रंट ऑफ स्क्रीन पे, आप कंपैरिजन करिए जरा, वाइल्ड टाइप ऑफ एरोडोप्सिस थेलियाना को कंपेयर करिए थोड़ा सा एक ऐसे एरोडोप्सिस थेलियाना के साथ में जिसके अंदर सेप्टिलेटा 1, 2 और 3 का ट्रिपल म्यूटेंट है। So this is the triple mutant of Rhodopsis thaliana. Okay, this is the mutant type. The same mutant type can be produced when you are going to mutate the other different types of genes. That is the class B plus class C gene. Class B plus class C gene triple mutant, gene double mutants. When you produce a double mutant, you get the same type of mutation, get the same type of result. Okay, moving forward. Now, Septilita gene functions in combination with the ABC gene to specify several different types of floral world formation. The formation of the first floral world, the sepal. Okay, sorry, this is sepal, not S, not C, but it is S. Sepal, petal, stamen, and then carpel. Okay, this is the sepal. So the formation of the sepal is under the control of A patella 1 and A patella 2. Okay, so it is the A patella 1 or you can say the A patella 2. Whether you write 1 or 2, it's the same thing because here we have mentioned the A patella 1. That is why the author is writing A patella 1. Else it can also be written as A patella 2. Then the next thing is that this will lead to the formation of sepals independent of the contribution of the septilita gene. Septilita gene का कोई contribution ही नहीं है sepal के formation के अंदर, देखें, no septilita gene contribution, no contribution of septilita, contribution of septilita gene, septilita. My spellings are very bad. Septilita, SEPALLATA, SEPALLATA. Okay. Genes. There is no contribution of septilita genes. Now you look at the petals. In the case of formation of petals, not only there is the contribution of A patella 1, A patella 3, A patella 3, then there is pistillata and the and the septillata genes that contribute leading to the formation of petals. So petals, the formation of petal will be contributed by the all the four different worlds, four different sets of genes that are controlling the formation of petals. The formation of carpel, then again you can see that the formation of carpel then again will be controlled by the products of the A gammas gene, the septillata gene. A gammas and septillata will be controlling it. Okay, so this is A gammas and septillata are controlling it. And then you are going to talk about stamen now. Look here about stamen, that how this stamen is being produced. It is being produced by the product of the pistillata, okay, gene B product, gene C, gene E, and septillata 3. So there would be sap 3. Let us take sap 1 here, A gammas and PI gene from, that is pistillata from B. Okay, so this is what we have found. This is how PI, AP3, septillata, and A gammas were the genes which were leading to the formation of the fourth structure. That one was referred to as the stamen. So this is how the flower is going to be produced in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana, and this is how the genes are going to interact with each other. तो अभी हमने ये देखा ये चारों genes किस तरीके से interact करते हैं. अगर आप इस वाले diagram को रीड करना चाहते हैं तो इस वाले डायग्राम को आप एक अलग स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रख लें और सॉल्व करें इस डायग्राम को देखते हुए। तो देखिए सबसे पहले सेपल को बनाने के लिए किसी का भी कंट्रीब्यूशन इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, जीन ए का कंट्रीब्यूशन इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो सेपल के फॉर्मेशन में जीन ए के प्रोडक्ट ही ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर की तरह वर्क करेंगे, यानी कि ए पैटिला 1 और ए पैटिला 2। तो देखिए सेपल के फॉर्मेशन में ए पैटिला 1 और ए पैटिला 2 काम कर रहे हैं, किसी और जीन का कंट्रीब्यूशन मैटर नहीं करता। अब आ जाते हैं दूसरे वर्ड के ऊपर, पेटल के ऊपर। देखिए पेटल के अंदर कौन कौन आ जाएगा, पेटल के अंदर कंट्रीब्यूशन देने वाला ए पैटिला 3 जीन बी का प्रोडक्ट है, जीन ए का प्रोडक्ट है, सेप्टिलिटा 1 है और सेप्टिलिटा 3 है, यानी कि ये चार आएंगे। तो ये देखिए चार कलर से यहाँ पर इंडिकेट किया गया है। चार कलर इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि ये तो सब सेप्टिलिटा है तो इसलिए ये बनाया गया है, लेकिन नीचे जो आप देखेंगे तो ये चारों अलग अलग आ जाएंगे। पेटल देखिए, पिस्टिलेटा, A patella 3. Now this A patella 3 is from class B gene. Pistillata, that you can see that it is from the class B gene. Class A gene का component आ जाएगा, that is A patella and the septillata. So these are all the genes that are going to interact. अब सर क्या ए पेटिला 3 के साथ में पिस्टिलेटर लिखना जरूरी है? अरे किसी भी एक जीन को लिख दीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। क्लास बी का जीन होगा, क्लास ए का जीन होगा और क्लास ए के साथ में सेप्टिलेटा जीन होगा जो पेटल को बनाएगा। कार्पिल को बनाने वाला ए गैमस है और सेप्टिलेटा है। देखिए कार्पिल को बनाने वाला ए गैमस है और सेप्टिलेटा है, और यहाँ पर स्टेमिन को बनाने वाला जीन बी का प्रोडक्ट है, दिस इज ए पेटिला, ए गैमस, सेप्टिलेटा एंड सेप्टिलेटा। ओके, सो ए पेटिला, A patella 3, A gamma, pistillata, and septillata. Septilla are the genes that will lead to the formation of a stamen. Moving forward, the other different types of protein complexes that are being involved. Now, how does the transcription of different genes takes place in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana? Where does the transcription protein binds and in what manner the transcription of genes occur? तो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ऑफ जीन्स होता कैसा है एराडोसिस थेलियाना के अंदर, और किस तरीके से जीन्स का ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होता है, कौन कौन सी जीन्स इन्वॉल्व होती हैं? सी, मैट्स डोमेन प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स इज इन्वॉल्व इन द केस ऑफ एराडोसिस थेलियाना. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मैट्स डोमेन प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड व्हाट इज दिस मैट्स डोमेन प्रोटीन कॉम्प्लेक्सेस? MATS domain protein complexes, as the name indicate, refers to the specific domain which is present in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana. It refers to MCM1, which is present in yeast. AG refer to Arabidopsis. Okay. Out of this MATS, the M stands for the MCM yeast protein. AG stands for Arabidopsis. DEF stands for deficiency, that is referred to as the Anthurium majus, in which it was being discovered, and SRF stands for the human. These proteins share a 56 amino acid DNA binding domain called as MATS. All these different types of proteins that you are visualizing on your screen, all these protein contains a 56 amino acid DNA binding domain, and that is referred to as a highly conserved DNA binding domain called as MATS. अब कुछ स्टूडेंट सोच रहे होंगे सर बताना क्या चाह रहे हो और बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो, ये तो बता दो कम से कम, हमें तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा इसके अंदर बोलना क्या चाह रहे हो. सो यू लुक हियर, तो आप लोग इधर देखें. बेटा आपको ये तो पता चल गया ना कि ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर कहीं पे बाइंड कर रहे हैं. अब मुझे एक बात बताओ, अगर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर कहीं पे बाइंड कर रहे हैं तो कहां पर बाइंड कर रहे होंगे? भाई डीएनए पे बाइंड करेंगे. भाई अब डीएनए पे बाइंड करेंगे तो कहां पर? डीएनए के ऊपर किसी एक पर्टिकुलर रीजन में जाके तो बाइंड करेंगे ना. वो रीजन कौन सा होगा जिसपे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर्स बाइंड कर रहे हैं? दैट रीजन इज रेफर्ड टू एज conserved region of 56 amino acid DNA binding domain called as MATS domain, which binds to a specific region that is referred to as CARG box, that is CCAT6 GG sequence. तो ये सारी प्रोटीन्स कुछ सीक्वेंसेस पे बाइंड करती हैं. सी, all the class A, B, C, and E genes except the A patella 2 codes for member of MADS domain family of dimeric transcription factor, leaving the A patella 2 gene. अगर आप A patella 2 gene को छोड़ दें, except for A patella 2 genes, all the other are going to encode for a protein complex, and that protein complex will be that of the MATS domain family of dimeric transcription factor. Okay, MATS domain family of dimeric transcription factors will be present, and this MATS will lead to the formation of the different types of transcription factors, whereas all these proteins share a 56 amino acid long DNA binding domain, and that DNA binding domain which is present is referred to as the MATS domain. Okay, this is the domain that is present called as MATS. Okay, now before moving forward, I would be taking your questions. Just wait first. So we are going to conclude, students, here only. These all these different types of proteins are going to bind to specific transcription factors. Those are referred to as MATS transcription factors that have DNA binding domain, intervening region, protein interacting regions, the K regions, and the carboxy terminal domain with a specific function to bind to the carboxy terminal domain of RNA polymerase, and increases that will increase the transcription of several different types of genes to be followed. This is how the genes of a specific part of the flowers are going to be transcribed, and different part of the flower are going to be produced. So that's all for today. We would be talking about the other factors that are being involved in the floral development, the leafy gene, and the other genes that are being involved, as well as the complex interactome that is present in the case of Arabidopsis thaliana. In tomorrow's lecture at 8:30. Good night. Bye bye. I would be uploading the lecture as well as the PPT in your group. Good night. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.